The increasing complexity of technology, the widespread use of electronic payment systems, and the effects of economic globalization have led to a rise in external fraud attempts, targeting organizations across all sectors. These evolving threats require more robust and proactive approaches to risk management. In this context, ISO 37003 aims to provide a structured framework for managing fraud risk. This ISO offers guidance on creating and maintaining processes for identifying, assessing, and monitoring fraud risk, mitigating internal and external fraud against and by the organization, detecting fraud based on assessed fraud risk exposures, and responding effectively to fraud events. This technical note summarizes the scope, structure, and key elements of ISO 37003.